Datmahseh.
Don't know, Datmahseh. This is Moose Datmahseh.
Yeah, and this is a bush of Datmahseh on Instagram. And I don't know, like, subscribe, share our video them. Cause if you don't like them, there's nothing hard for you to do than just spend a second there and bust a youth. You see?
Yeah man, do the like something man and comment. We want to hear no views on the video them. Cause I don't know, we try to build out the channel. And so far we get some good views, we get some good reviews, we get some good comments.
Always, cause you don't know how the thing going on. Uno help us for help Uno for no viewing pleasure. You don't know the thing go. We are doing our thing. Uno help us for enhance the thing.
Alright, do the thing. So right now Datmahseh we'll find a youth. We just bust with here.
Yeah, one organic settings, you know. You want to know that youth that thing come out and nowhere, you know. And the other day I stay and go to one shop and here come some little pitney sing out a song and I say, what this for? I swear to jam, I say, yo.
Bali, LAALEE.
I know I don't really too get it today, but
you
don't
get it still, but I meet him and ask him 2 questions. Datmahseh.
Yeah.
New episode.
Yeah. Episode 3, Datmahseh. Yeah.
Check it out, LAALEE.
How?
LAALEE, new episode, Datmahseh, new episode. You deaf, you over like on it, right? If you deaf.
We're up on live, but we live on the interview. Friends are related you. You know LAALEE, what's on sale and the hottest song in the planet right now. Let me tell you. It's on the club Shellong this song, it's on the club Shellong. What if I Shellong go on this morning?
LAALEE. Your fan base. Who is your fan base?
Most of teenagers, you get me?
Most of teenagers that log on to LAALEE thing.
Yeah, man, most of teenagers.
Alright, so the song LAALEE, short and tally. You know you get a load of question about it, but where you get the vibes there for the song?
So I go on with one vibe, me and my dogs them, man, and the song just slap me in the head.
You put the Capleton Manning Cup camp.
Capleton Manning Cup camp, man, we just have one vibes, man. The song catchy, so everybody adapt to it.
You know, so Capleton in my school, so you usually go to school.
Man, so up to my pretend that soon, man.
Yeah, so you finished with school now?
Yeah, man, I finished with school till September, yeah.
Okay. So, as a career, you have to take on music as a career or you just have to go on?
Yeah, man, take it as a career, man.
Okay.
Them one.
Yeah, man.
Them one thing for play. Hold on, tell him for hold on.
So, what may I say
But him
now?
want it for play it still.
What more I know still? LAALEE, short and tally. The vibes, you feel like a catch the vibes there? Or you think of the other direction they want to go because you don't know music kind of?
Yo, other direction that me want to go because guess what? In the music industry, yeah, man, I sing about righteous song, man, I sing about badness song. But me have make people have fun and laugh, you get me?
So you have more fun in there?
Yeah, man, more fun, man. You can't bother get up about head bounce and them things, you know my style.
Okay. So, in terms of inspiration, who inspired them to that? You don't have to be an artist, but in a life, is a brethren, is a friend, or is a family? Your mother? Your mother full of vibes?
Yeah, man, full of vibes.
Okay, big her up now.
Boom, big up yourself, just me because you're deaf. Okay, like Arnett Ref.
See, it's a baller. Which position you play?
Centre back, man, for Arnett girl and centre forward for Camper.
So, with all that hurt now?
I don't know when you're Jerome with, so I'm a centre back. So I look like a defender.
So, but LAALEE, you need to, you know, so you can defend.
Yeah, move this man, inner strength, man.
You have the inner strength.
Create alone move them body, you know, man. I got that, man.
So, how Jerome will think about the song?
I never have Jerry irritated, you know, because I don't even see my face.
Eh? So you not got training and them thing there?
I kind of do it football for them. Can't manage them sexy football.
Yeah, so how the girl them feel about the song though?
The girl them love it, man. I feel them national anthem, man. How she drink?
How she drink? So when them hear it now, they say that try to impress the girl them. When them hear them, they laugh or whatever they do.
The one is there.
Eh?
Them sing it and feel like them know the song more than even me.
Eh? Say remember none of them? Eh, remember none of them? And netball them not play though? Okay, so what next for LAALEE?
Jackie Chan, more songs.
Jackie Chan.
A lot of more songs. Just having fun, that's me.
So, what you have to say to your fan them and your daughters them? Fans
All
first.
of my fan them, thank you for the support, all of my daughters them, just give the support. The mind will change one of these days.
You say you have to convert them.
Yeah, man.
Where your money there, where your money there? Can't find it, can't find it. Can't find it, can't find it. Now feel a thing, now feel a thing. Now feel a thing, now feel a thing. LAALEE, short and tally. LAALEE, can't money. LAALEE, short and tally. LAALEE, can't money. I'm so what's on sale, what's on sale? What's on sale, what's on sale? Drop it over here, drop it over here. Drop it over here, drop it over here. I was eating conflicts and go the water. Conflicts and go the water. I was eating conflicts and go the water. Conflicts and go the water. LAALEE, short and tally. LAALEE, can't money. I'm so what's on sale, what's on sale? What's on sale, what's on sale? Drop it over here, drop it over here. Drop it over here, drop it over here.
That me I say.
Yeah, yeah.
Program nice.
Oh.
New episode.
Shut.
New episode.
Look like the dog are doing them
man.
thing wicked man start
Yeah, the
on artist
remix,
right now.
the remix that one, but I don't know LAALEE still. It's a baller. Basically the man's story now, it's a baller
Yeah.
where I play ball at the football camp and all of vibes and that's the thing with Jamaican having of them, you know, the creativity, that creative genius. All of we have a special spark, you know.
Yeah man,
and the man just
Jamaicans are
sketch it.
great, you know.
Yeah, the
Terrific.
man just sketch it and hopefully wish him all the best still in his music career, isn't it?
But Moods, I see ya and him link up, you know, and enough question that me still would like to know, you know.
Well. Like what?
Right now, G, me da like you know that girl the way I drink that, you know. Big up man to you, the car that you see?
Yeah, I really know if that girl really exists, you know, but conflicts and that, I don't know. I don't know, that would be weird.
I
No.
guess we have to ask about LAALEE and time about
No, but in said just the vibes them get. I don't think of somebody my reference. I don't. LAALEE, I don't think so. Was it? I don't think so.
only man are know.
Right now still. You know the music still, cause with the music, Capleton, my name get charged. Call upon a charge where John No Star that charge like them a try shape off of the Shango, you know, but it nah. Me nah buy it still.
Yeah, no, say, alright, listen, you see, the rape thing, it touches, you know. And
Yeah, John.
I don't really want to say nothing, you know, but truth be told, I got surprised to know, say, I true that with Shango still, based on what I know about them, man, they still.
They made some money put out, you know, so she don't want a certain amount. So she get the certain amount, it wouldn't have been what she said it was. I have a problem with that, because if it was, then it wasn't. Or if it wasn't, then it is. Or I don't know, it's confusing.
All I know is I know say I gotta start keep my amount and my value private. You know? Cause right now the Me Too movement
Yo,
thing look
right
serious, yo.
Right now, the man then go for Bill Cosby and box him down, you know.
Yeah.
With him all Bill Cosby.
Yeah.
I usually watch Cosby show, you know.
Bill Cosby now live out this.
Bill Cosby, the man I hate it hard, you know, John.
Nah live it out, man. Him shake up right now. Them a shake off R. Kelly hard too.
Right now, as public figures out there, I implore the man them, say, yo, just be careful, you know.
Nah, but true be told no, the other day, you know, one girl come admit say she that tell lie on one NFL player, you know.
Yeah.
So-
What was that about?
Yeah, she complains that the man do assault and this and domestic thing, and when you look like she could have hold it out, she have to just admit say a lie she that tell, so now the man free now. What do you see that, you know?
No.
So it's right now still, the girl them for take it easy and stop them thing like them want to kill the man them still. It's serious. Cause enough of them thing they wanna do, it might seem like a joke to you have a bag of people when I know nothing and them attack, you know. But you see, the consequence them serious for other
I have
individuals.
said though, there are instances where men take advantage of women, and we want to say categorically that we don't support that in no form. But exploitation happens the other way. I'm gonna explode. I mean, no time support that.
No, you can't support that.
Yeah, so
Whereas like how we are planning to have people and be valuable people. Yeah,
Cause them put all the life on when we say we do something.
that's why my one
That's
man
why.
may I stick with it.
Me even have to talk. Everybody know. Right now, You don't know, but we are saying Capleton are our artists, you know, because yo, the Fireman have so much tune right now. I want to comment and tell you which one of your favorite Capleton song, and what do you think about the whole Me Too and the whole facts. Enough people name and get called for them things there from where they.
But right now, still, may I tell you the truth. Alright, you still like how Bill Cosby, female rape them and female thing them are going from
Yeah.
him did young. So some decades worth of rape that, you know. Wow. And then all of a sudden, when the man are 8 yard now, he might forget face up to that, you know. Me just say, no expiration date no depend them rape.
No. Once you do the crime, no. Why you would have said something like that? Once you do the crime, you know, time is have no factor, no significance. Because if you do something when you're 17 and then find out when you're 79, I believe you're supposed to pay for your crime.
Alright,
if
fine.
you did do it.
But check this out though. Why it takes so long for you to file a complaint?
Wow. No, that's the question. But me not really want to get into that, you know, because that me I say is all about hopeful, light things, and that's a heavy topic. It is very heavy, hard to digest. It come like...
That's what I say, when the man want to make a next big move for buy one big network, me say the man a rape and the worst.
Well,
so
I just want to say, breaking news, the black girl married to the prince. Me like that something there.
Alright then.
Because me wake up this morning and watch it on CNN. She in a nice dress, the dress long from here, so go way up there, so you know.
You watch it? I don't really pay attention to them, but I'm glad for know, say, them make you know, say, some little melanin there in the royal family, you know, melanin take over, you know?
Yeah, see the queen.
Melanin take over in the royal family right now, you see me?
Right now, people, the queen stand up and I hear a little feedback. I hope say it alright. Right now, the queen stand up and say she do her thing in the church, and the black girl bring black people in the people them white. The whitest church at the history of whiteness, you know.
But that may I tell you, say, right now.
At some old queen and old kingberry, they say, you know, dog.
Right now, I'm proud of her still. Because I think I see a girl like we used to watch on Suits, you know.
I don't even, yeah.
She busting a youth.
Right now.
You watch her on Suits.
Yo, me say her friend link her up on the prince, you know, done.
I look at blind date. About the internet age, it at you, I'm even tell you.
I'm glad for her still. Yo, she bring her black pastor, she bring black choir, she bring black friend, she just black up the whole of England. I like it.
Little black girls out there, you can do it too.
You can do it.
You can do it too.
Yeah, man.
See?
All when them a zoot, them have hopes.
I mean, that's saying. Zoot to you is not zoot to arena youth.
I'm just saying, I'm not calling Megan a zoot.
No.
But I'm saying even zoots are inspired. I don't know. If you don't know what is a zoot, look it up.
Look on Black China. How far she reach?
Oh.
Sorry about that.
Say no more.
Say no more. I'm my rose.
Yo, everybody just big up on yourself. That bears episode 3.
Yeah, episode 3.
Out and gunning. Enough things to cover.
Right now, Jano Star, because we even tell us, say, yo, I love how the thing I go.
Yeah.
And we still, I look for the feedback. We don't mind, negative, positive, do it.
Yeah, man, just remember, one of your favorite Capleton. I want to think about the girls out there who have dreams, you know. Married a prince, fairy tale.
But a real life princess right now,
right
a black
now.
girl.
I'm glad for her.
Because she can't say she white, you know, even though she half white.
Yeah, you're black. From me, have a little black in her, you're black.
Melanin take over.
Yeah, man, look at me.
I Datmahseh.